Alright, here we are at the jungle in Panama. Just entering. A little bit of canopy. A lot of plants. Kind of see this. Oh! Shh, here they are! Some Homo sapiens. What are they looking at? Termites.
You can eat those.
Yeah, you can eat those, dude.
They taste like mint.
How is it, Greg?
Not too bad.
Greg Bear.
Termite pile?
Thank you.
I'm having a hard time grabbing them.
Is it minty? Not really. Not really. You can imagine.
I have tasted termites that are very
Let's eat it. Mmm. Yum.
Yum.
Panamanian chocolate mite.
I wouldn't say it's minty.
Yeah, that one's gross. I wouldn't taste that one.
But it is a source of protein.